Hello, I'm Felicity Brand, aka Flickstar, and in this short video I'll give you a high-level overview of using the template to create a step-by-step guide. The aim with the template is to give you, the author, a head start to maintain consistency across different authors and also to create familiarity for learners so they know what to expect. As you can see from some of the guides already in the repo, they are not exactly the same. The guides will differ according to who wrote it, the context and the task it's covering. And that's okay. They all still follow a consistent structure because of the template. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take a copy of the template. The template is in the step-by-step guide repo, and let's navigate there now. Here is the rendered template, and here's the template in GitHub. The idea is that you take a copy of the raw markdown, then paste it into your editing tool of choice, be that Notepad, Visual Studio, Google Docs, it's up to you. Now you can start creating your guide. You might like to have the contributor's guide open side by side with your document, because in the using the template section, there is a dedicated explainer for each section of the template. You might find some sections are straightforward to fill out, but you might find others you need a little help with. And this is where you can find hints, tips, guidance, and examples. For example, the prerequisite section is very bare bones in the template, and if we look in the contributor's guide, the prerequisite section explains a little bit more about why we have this section, what it's used for, and how to complete it. And there's also a couple of examples in there. Once you've written your guide, come back up to the top of the template where you'll see this HTML comment. This is where you can add tags and categories to your guide, and they display rendered in the guide like this. Here's where you can add the typo-3 version that applies to your guide, and you can also tag yourself as the author if you choose. You don't need to get it perfect. We have a review process and we'll help you if you get stuck. Just give it your best shot, and all contributions are valuable. Thank you very much.